So again, under U.S. antitrust laws, monopoly itself is not illegal. But these U.S. antitrust laws, what do? They include rules against some, got to qualify here, right? Restrictive practices. And so what are these restrictive practices? So this is not outright agreements. To raise prices or reduce quality. So not an outright agreement, but a practice that might have the effect of reducing competition. So some of these restrictive practices, some examples that we have are, if you have exclusive dealing. So an agreement with a dealer that the dealer is only going to sell products from one manufacturer. Only sell from one manufacturer. There are situations of bundling, right? We all get a bunch of bloatware and stuff like that on our cell phones, right? There's bundling. So this is a situation in which multiple products sold as one. We could have some sort of minimum resale price maintenance agreement. This is saying that, you have to sell at some minimum price. And then last thing, which is kind of a cousin of bundling, right, would be tying sales. So this is where you can only buy product X if you also buy product Y. So for instance, if you were to go to Great Plains Communication and want to get cable internet, and they said, okay, that's fine, but you have to rent a modem from us, that would be tying sales, right? That'd be a restrictive practice. So at the end of the day, you can buy your own modem and hook it up to Great Plains Communication or whatever, and you don't have to use theirs. Now, people often do just because it's cheaper and it's easier, and well, it's probably not cheaper in the long run, but that's a whole other situation. That's a break-even cost deal, Questions on restrictive practices? All right. Let's talk about regulating natural monopolies.